Hey guys, it's Crystal. I had to film this video for you because it is literally life-changing. Let me tell you, Ardell lashes have changed my life. I'm wearing right now the double demi wispies. So I knew Ardell was a trusty product, and I've tried other magnetic lashes before and it was awful. The magnets fell off and they did not fit my eye. Most of them were like a straight band. I returned them after 2 seconds and I was like, magnetic lashes, I hate them and I'm not gonna waste my money again. That's why I bought 2 of them, obviously. So when I found out that Ardell came out with them, I was like, okay, I'm not spending $60 or so on one pair of lashes. These are only about $11, $12 to $15 depending where you get them. So I got them and put them on one side and it didn't go on the other. Seriously? Okay. Hated them. I was looking on the reviews. Maybe there was something I was doing wrong. This was supposed to be a really good product. And then I saw a couple girls say, cut them in 3 sections. I'm like, I just bought these lashes. I might want to return them. They're really making me angry. And I was like, okay, I'm going to cut them. It'll be my own fault. This is the last chance I'm going to give magnetic lashes. So you keep the top part of the band intact, which you see on the top, which looks like a regular strip lash. You cut the bottom into 3 different strips. That was scary, so I said, whatever. I'm going to cut them. This is the finished product. The under are cut into 3 strips. Life-changing. The magnet doesn't start till right there, so if you had smaller eyes, you could probably cut off that little knot right there. And same thing on that little corner right there. There, you can make it smaller. That little knot right there, you can make it smaller, and same on the bottom. But my eyes are big enough for the whole entire lash, so I am using the whole thing. But this is how I cut them. Magnetic lashes need mascara on your lashes first because they need something to hold on to and it needs a base to sit on. So if you're just getting them from the mail and you try to put them on with no mascara, you're gonna hate them and they're not gonna work because they have nothing to grip to. So put mascara on. That's my first tip. I don't even feel this coming off. They all came sticking together and I didn't have to worry about it. I will show you how easy they are to put on. And place it on top. Put it on where you want it. This one. See, I'm doing this on camera and it's already working so good. So you do the inner, then I grab the outer, push down. So that one is stuck in the place you want it. And watch, the outer, boop, clamped. The middle part is like this. It has 2 magnets and these ones had just the single one. So the Ardell come with 4 magnets. So I cut them. There's 1 magnet, and then the middle piece. This one has 2. And I'm just gonna put in the middle, boop, it is on. Okay, so let's do the second one. And I'm just gonna put it on like that. So this corner might be floating around. You just grab it and pull it as close as you can to the lash line. Attach, and it's on. Okay guys, so now I have both of my double demi wispies back on. I'll put a little link down below where I got mine. So if I didn't know this lash hack, I would have sworn off magnetic lashes forever. But I tried them one more time, gave them one more shot, and Ardell knocked it out of the park. Oh, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please support me because I'm trying to live out my dreams and do YouTube. And Watch my other videos if you haven't already. That would mean the world to me. And to the people who are returning, seriously, thank you so much. You've given me so much confidence. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the little notification bell down below. Leave me comments and tell me if this hack worked for you. I would love to hear from you. Until next time. Mwah. Love you guys.